In the PW mode, you may hold and move the sample volume to the target position. Adjust the CA angle by tapping on the range gate. You can change the size of the range gate in the advanced setting. Tap Update to see the spectrum at the bottom of the screen. Drag the line in the region and move up and down to adjust the baseline. By swiping to the right increases the gain and swipe to the left will decrease the gain in the PW mode.
Make sure you're in PW mode, then use a two-finger gesture on the scanning screen to adjust the size. Pinch out to expand the range gate and pinch in to narrow it so you can set your desired range gate. In the PW mode, open the toolbar and scroll down to select Smart PW Scale. Once PW updates, or after you adjust your range gate, just like how we used two fingers to do it earlier. Once you're done adjusting, Smart PW Scale will automatically run the analysis,